What's going on, everybody? Gino here again with another video. Today I'm just doing a video on my Honda Civic. It's a quick little mod that you can do to the exterior on the rear view mirror and this front lip over here behind me, and it makes it look 10 times better, especially if you have the black and red accents just like my car. So I'm going to show you what I got and show you how to do it. So these are the first things I got. This is just a pinstriping kit. It's gloss red, so it matches all the other red that this car has, like every little detail of red, because black and red, that's kind of the style I'm going with this. These were super cheap. I got these from Premium Auto Styling, and this is for the rear view mirrors. And this one, it just says pin on it, is for the front lip. And I'm going to install these and show you what to do, and it's going to look 10 times better. So what you're going to need is some rubbing alcohol and like a little hand towel that you have. I'm just going to go over lightly with the rubbing alcohol, and that pinstriping kit's going to go right here along the sides. Yeah, I'll clean that up right now. Alright, so I just finished. It came out super good, and I'm actually like super proud of myself. I did it like nice and even. I didn't like the way it came out the first time, so I redid the one in the front, and I fixed the mirrors a little bit with what I had. But I'm super happy with how it came out. Like I said, I never did this before ever, so here it is. So this is how it looks now. It kind of looks like a Type R ripoff, but that's okay. We're going for the red and black theme on this car. The way that this front lip came out, it came out perfect. This front lip came out like really good, like pretty much exactly how I want it to come out. Make sure you clean this more because there is some dirt and debris that still got underneath. It ended up I wasn't able to get it all off, apparently. I guess some snuck in while I was doing it. So yeah, I mean, this all came out exactly how I want to. I'm pretty sure you only put one strip here, but we had like 6. So I put 2 because for both the body lines, I guess, make it look a little different because everyone else puts 1. I put 2, and I think it came out super good. It matches the red accents the car's going for. Might get some black wheels for it, who knows. But I think it came out super good, and it was extremely inexpensive. It probably cost me like 12 bucks. So not too bad, not too shabby. And it does come with extra vinyl strips just in case you do mess up, so it's no problem. Just make sure you do it like that and you cut it down to size, and it should be pretty good. So thank you everyone for watching, and I'll catch you next time.